Welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Today we are diving into the world of elegant red prom gowns. Prom is a special night where you can express your style and make unforgettable memories. A red gown is a timeless choice that exudes confidence, elegance, and glamour. Whether you are looking for a classic silhouette or something more contemporary, there is red gown prom for every style and personality. Let's explore some stunning options and how you can accessorize and style them to make your prom night truly magical. Classic ball gown, the epitome of timeless elegance. A red ball gown with a fitted bodice and a voluminous skirt. Look for details like lace, appliques, beading, or embroidery to add a touch of sophistication. Pair it with a simple yet elegant necklace, stud, earrings, and a delicate bracelet. Opt for a classic updo with soft curls and glamorous makeup look with bold red lips and smoky eyes. Perfect for showcasing your curves while maintaining an elegant look. Choose a red mermaid gown with a fitted bodice that flares out at the knees. Look for gowns with intricate beading or sequin details to add some sparkle. A pair of chandelier earrings and a statement bracelet will complement the look without overwhelming it. Go for side swept curls and a dramatic makeup look with winged eyeliner and a red lip. A universally flattering silhouette that exudes grace. A-line gown with a sweetheart or off-the-shoulder neckline. Lace or tulle overlays can add an ethereal touch. Add a delicate necklace and drop earrings. A sparkling clutch will complete the ensemble. Soft waves and a natural makeup look with a focus on glowing skin and a subtle red rib. Two-piece gown, modern and trendy while still elegant. A red two-piece prom gown with a crop top and a high-waisted skirt. Choose a set with beading or lace details for added elegance. Minimalist jewelry like thin bracelet and stud earrings. A sleek clutch will finish the look. A sleek ponytail or bun with a bold makeup look with defined brows and a matte red lip. A unique and stylish option that's sure to turn heads. Choose a red high-low gown that's shorter in front and longer in the back. Look for flowing fabrics like chiffon or organza for added drama. Strappy heels to show off your legs and a statement necklace. Loose curls and a fresh dewy makeup look with a touch of red lipstick. Off-the-shoulder gowns, romantic and timeless. An off-the-shoulder red gown with a fitted bodice and a flowing skirt. Look for gowns with intricate details like lace or sequins. A pair of elegant drop earrings and a simple bracelet. A satin clutch will add a touch of sophistication. Soft romantic waves and a classic makeup look with a winged eyeliner and red lips. Illusion neckline, a modern and sophisticated twist. Choose a red gown with an illusion neckline and intricate beading or lace details. The illusion neckline adds a touch of elegance and mystery. Sparkling earrings and a delicate bracelet, a beaded clutch will complete the look. A sleek updo and a glamorous makeup look with bold eyes and a red lip. Thank you for joining us at Luna Fashion and Beauty as we explore the enchanting world of elegant red prom gowns. From classic ball gowns to modern two-piece sets, we have covered a wide range of styles to help you find the perfect red dress for your special night. Red gowns are a timeless choice that exudes confidence, elegance, and glamour, ensuring you will make a lasting impression at prom. This is the part 1 of red elegant prom gowns. Hope you enjoy this video. Remember, accessorizing and styling your gown with the right jewelry, shoes, and makeup will complete your look and make you feel like star of the evening. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Stay confident, stay fabulous. Stay tuned for the next part. Bye for now.